Welcome to Just In Case You Don't Know, quick guides for real life skills. Today's episode, how to use AI in everyday life, even if you're not a tech person. What is AI? Putting it simply, AI or artificial intelligence is just a way to get machines to do things that usually need human thinking, like recognizing speech, making decisions, or generating ideas. Think of it as your digital assistant helping you do things faster, smarter, and easier. Have I used AI before? You're likely already using AI when you use the following technologies: wayfinding apps, spam filters, video streaming or sharing recommendations, autocomplete in word processors, voice assistants. 5 ways to use AI in your daily life. Let's break down 5 simple, practical ways to use AI tools today. No tech degree needed. Number 1. Personal assistant for everyday tasks. Use AI tools to draft emails or replies, summarize articles. Ask it like you would ask a smart friend. Can you explain this simply, or help me write a message for my sister? Number 2. Boost your productivity. It helps you get more done. Use AI to organize tasks, generate routines or daily schedules, summarize spreadsheets, turn meetings into bullet points. Number 3. Learn anything faster. Use AI to learn a skill, summarize book chapters, create study guides, break down complex ideas, translate languages. Think of AI as your on-demand tutor. Number 4. Save money and plan better. Use AI to compare prices, build a budget, optimize grocery lists, suggest cheaper alternatives. Number 5. Unleash your creativity. Even if you're not an artist, AI can help too. Write stories or poems, create images, brainstorm business ideas, script videos. It's collaboration, not cheating. Common fears. You might think I'm not good with tech or AI will replace me. Here's the truth. You don't need to code. Just type what you need. AI is a tool that amplifies you. You can't easily break it. Tips to get started today. You can start today by trying out these tools: ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, Claude, Canva, Midjourney, Pixlr, Grammarly. Ask things like plan 3 dinners, explain like I'm 12, or create a thank you letter for my niece. Final thoughts and recap. AI Quick Start Checklist. Use AI for daily tasks and writing. Boosting productivity with smart questions or what are called prompts. Learning anything with summaries and guides. Planning and saving smarter. Unlocking creativity. Like this video if this guide helped. Subscribe to the channel to always have the latest guides. Thanks for watching Just In Case You Don't Know, the channel with the guides for real life skills.